So I'm now going to discuss the topic electrical capacitance. Electrical capacitance, as the name explains, capacitance means the capacity to do anything. Capacity to do, and it is directly related. If we are talking about the electrical capacitance, it means we are directly related to the charge, right? So electrical capacity is related to ability to store the charge or energy. So what is electrical capacitance? It is the capacity or ability to store the charge or energy within a conductor, within a capacitor, or within any arrangement, right? We know that when we give some charge Q to a body, its potential raises by equal amount. For example, let us consider this is a charged conductor on which if I give some units of positive charge. So how many unit of positive charge is given to it, it raises its potential by that amount, right? So it means whatever the amount of charge is given to it raises its potential by that amount, or we can say Q is directly proportional to V. Means more is the charge given to a body, to a conductor, to a arrangement, more is the potential that's set up across the ends of that capacitor. This could be understood by a very general example. For example, if we talk about a student, let us relate this charge Q with the information or knowledge which is given to a student by a teacher, and V is the potential. Potential means the knowledge he gained, right? So Q, whatever the information or knowledge is given to a student by a teacher, then equal amount of potential or knowledge will be gained by that student. So it means whatever the amount of charge Q is given to a conductor, it raises its potential by V. From all these examples, it is clear that Q is directly proportional to V, or Q is equal to CV, where C is constant of proportionality and is called capacitance of the capacitor. So if we consider if V is equal to 1, in that case Q is equal to C or C is equal to Q. It means we can define the electrical capacity is numerically equal to the charge given to the conductor to raise its potential by unity. So the capacitance can be defined as equivalent to the charge given to raise the potential by unity. Is that, I think this is clear. And the unit for capacitance is farad. And 1 farad, according to this relation, if I find out C is equal to Q by V, and Q is 1 coulomb and V is measured in volt, and C capacitance is measured in farad. So 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb per unit 1 volt. Similarly, we can define 1 farad as the amount of charge, as when 1 coulomb of charge is given to a conductor and its potential raises by 1 volt, then in that case the capacitance of that capacitor is said to be 1 farad.